What is up, everybody? If you want to turn off the app preloads to save up your data and privacy on your device, on your Android device, and you're looking at how to do so, you may follow up this process for that. You can start by opening up the Play Store for that. And once you open up your Play Store, you can tap on your profile picture icon in the top right corner and just go over and scroll down and go to your settings. After you go to settings, you just need to select this option for network preferences and drop it down. And within network preferences, you can look out for this option called auto update apps. And once you tap on it, you can select this option of do not auto update applications. And then that should turn off the app preload. Apart from that, if not this, you can close this up and you can do it within your settings of your device. Go to your phone settings and you can scroll down and go to the apps and tap on it. After you go to apps, you can select the specific application that you want to restrict, tap on it. And once you go ahead and tap on it, you can look out for the specific app that you want to restrict. If you find the option for restrict, you can just go over and tap on it and restrict it. And also look out for data users and tap on it, mobile data. And you can toggle this option of allowing background data uses. For that, you can tap on it to turn it off and toggle it off and restrict the background data for individual apps. Apart from that, you can even optimize your battery usage. Go to settings for that. And within there, you can scroll down, find the option for battery and tap on it. And from battery, you just need to go over and see a list of applications. You can select the app that you want to manage. Just go over and tap on one of the app, and once you find the app, you just need to go over and choose restricted or turn off it, and that should work out. So that's it, everybody. Those are probably the solutions you can follow for that. We hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.